All right, thanks for joining me today to walk through this 2026 Sea Ray 290 SDX. So the sun deck comes the largest here in the 290. This has a nice windlass anchor on the front. We've got the black hull side with a white bottom. We do have the power tower up top with the bimini attached. As we come to the back, we got a nice big swim platform here with the 290. Manual submersible swim platform. We got nice seats in the back. This does come with the Mercury 6.2 350 horsepower engine. It's got underwater lights and trim tabs. So let's go to the interior and take a look at the rest of what this boat has to offer. All right, welcome back. This is the, again, 290 sun deck. We got the nice walkthrough here with the sea deck. We've got the dune interior. We got the nice entertainment station right here. Seating that wraps all the way around. You got your co-captain's chair where the seat does move forward and back. Same with the captain's chair. Nice storage. Fridge. Nice big helm. Got the 12-inch Simrad system here. Fusion stereo. Digital throttle. And then we got the nice spacious head. Look at that. And then the signature for the 290 is the nice big bow. Got storage underneath the seats. 290 is just a great day boat. Use it on big water. Just love this boat. So 2026 Sea Ray 290. Come on down and take a look.